Yeah, folks. Online folks, I think you remembered about yesterday what we have discussed. Fine, folks. This is the place from where we started our discussion yesterday, 8th May. Okay, folks. This is the place where we discussed yesterday, 8th May. We started with the relational operators, and they are used to construct the prepositions. Preposition is nothing but a statement or a condition.
Condition.
Yeah, very good. Which can result a Boolean value.
Boolean.
Either it can be true or it could be the false. Boolean value means it could be either true value or it could be the false value. Folks, after that we discuss about another kind of operators which are called logical operators. Basically, operators are divided into how many categories, you know? 3. What are the 3 categories of operators, you know? One is called unary operators, binary operators, and the ternary operator. Okay. Under binary operators category, again, there are 5 subtypes. What are all the 5 subtypes under binary operators category? One is arithmetic operators. We discussed it already. Yesterday, we discussed about relational operators. Next, logical operators. And also, yesterday only, I just told you about assignment operators. Okay, right? What is the last category of operators we have? Bitwise operators. Okay, right? Bitwise operators. Okay. Actually, bitwise operators not for the regular, otherwise a Java developer who is trying to develop enterprise applications for the real time. Okay. But it's better to know that how bitwise operators work. But we don't use bitwise operators in our day-to-day life. That's what I want to say. Folks, online people, just try to understand the point what I'm trying to say. Okay, folks. Bitwise, yesterday we completed about which operators finally? Assignment operators. You know arithmetic operators, right? There are 5 operators which called as arithmetic operators, which can be used to perform arithmetic operations. What are comes under arithmetic category? Addition, which is with a symbol plus, subtraction with minus, multiplication with asterisk, division with slash, modulus with percentage. What is the difference between division operator and modulus operator? Division operator returns quotient. Modulus operator returns remainder. Yes, you are correct. Remainder. You know them, right? How do you get assignment operator means just add equal to symbol for each arithmetic operator. If I write plus equal to, this is called what? Plus equal, which is assignment operator. Minus equal, asterisk equal, forward slash then equal, modulus operator and equal. These are all called what operators? Assignment operators. Equal to is an assignment operator. X equal to 5, Y equal to 10. Like that we are writing now. X equal to 5 means what? You are assigning a value 5 to the variable X. Am I right or not? That's what I have written here. Int X equal to 5 means what? You are assigning the value 5 to the variable X. That's what X equals to 5. Am I clear? What do you mean by X plus equals to 3? This is a short form of this expression. Which means what? Add the value 3 to the variable X and store the result again back to the same variable called X. That's what the meaning of this one. But the current value of X is 5. Add 5 plus 3, 8. The result will come back and store in X only. Now, if I print the value of X, what's the value printed? 8. And you know what the output statement in Java? I have written in shortcut, but what's the output statement in Java? System.out.println. SOP statement we call in shortcut, right? System.out.println of X. We got the how much value here? 8. What do you mean by int A is equal to 99? Means I'm assigning 99 value to the variable A. A slash equal to 10. What is a, this is a short form of which expression? A equals to A divided by 10. Divide the A value with 10. Store the quotient again into the same variable called A. That's what the meaning of writing this assignment operator. What assignment operator will do? Assignment operator will calculate the result, and the result will be again stored back to the same variable. Who is a variable here? X. Result is also stored in which variable only? X. Who is a variable here? A. Result is again stored in which variable only? A. If you look at this now, n equal to 4, m equal to 6, n plus equal to m. If you expand it, n equal to n plus m, right? So add this n and m together, store the result back to which variable only? N, because left side variable is n. Who is a variable at left side? N. Store the result in n. What is the n value now? 10. What is the m value still? 6. Here the result is stored in which variable? Is it in m variable or in n variable? It is stored in n variable. Because who is there at left side of this operator? N. Store the result back to the same variable. Who is the same variable here? N. You got my point? Online folks, yesterday we discussed all these things. Today, we'll start with a new topic. Okay. What is our new topic means? Operators. What is the fifth category of operators, folks? Bitwise operators. Okay. As I said already, sorry. Folks, just I want to add the date here so that it is 9th May 2024. Folks, am I clear? Now we are looking forward to discuss about which operators today? Bitwise operators. As I just now told you, bitwise operators are not used in our regular web applications development. We don't use bitwise operators. For example, if you want to create a banking website or a social media website like a Facebook, right? Or Gmail, okay? Or if you want to develop any real-time applications like a restaurant application, a hotel booking application, you can't develop. I mean, you will never use, I would like to say, you will never use bitwise operators in the regular applications development. Bitwise operators are required for those people who are developing the applications for device drivers. Device drivers in the sense, for example, you see, you purchased a printer. Printer you purchased, HP, could be Dell, or could be some other, Canon, some printer you purchased. You know, if at all you want to print something out of your computer through that printer, You have to install that printer drivers in your machine. If you don't install the printer driver, then your computer and the printer cannot connect with each other. You can't make any printouts. Able to follow me, right? So what you have to install? Printer driver. Okay, the drivers comes with, for example, if you are purchasing Canon printer, go to Canon website, download the Canon driver. It's nothing but one kind of software. Install that software in your system. Now you can able to print something from your computer through Canon printer. So for developing such kind of drivers, or the people who are working on embedded systems. So for developing applications for drivers or embedded systems, or some people will work on cryptography. I think you might have known about this word or not. Cryptography. I think you know about a word called Bitcoin. Okay. So cryptography applications are there that we don't develop, but sorry. So those people who are into that kind of application development, so those people are going to make use of these bitwise operators. Otherwise, as a Java developer, we never involve in using bitwise operators into our project's development. That's for sure. Okay, right? You take any application. Okay, for example, I'm developing an application for I'm developing a kind of a sales application for so-and-so company, let us say Samsung. Or I'm creating a banking application for ICICI. Then I never use this kind of bitwise operators. Okay, right? Or even we will never use bitwise operators when you're developing any mobile applications also. For example, like a GPay or PhonePay or any other mobile application. So we never use this kind of operators in the day-to-day life. It is specially required for the people who are trying to create the software like device driver softwares, cryptography softwares, embedded system softwares. So those people need to know about this kind of bitwise operators. They will work on this, but not by our regular Java developers. Okay, a Java developer, okay, who is going to develop the web applications, means internet-based applications, or big real-time applications. So those people will not use bitwise operators. That's for sure. Am I clear, folks? Okay. So what I'm trying to say, folks, bitwise operators. What I'm talking about bitwise operators. Who will use bitwise operators? So bitwise operators are used in developing applications for device drivers, okay, or embedded systems, or cryptography, etc., etc. Okay. So a Java developer, I'm writing here, a Java developer who uh, is working for developing web applications or enterprise applications. You will understand what is web application, enterprise application. I'll give you some examples later. Okay, for example, you take IRCTC or ATM. Folks, am I clear? What are all these now? IRCTC, ATM application, these are all enterprise applications. Enterprise applications means large business applications. Banking is a very big business. If you develop a software application for them, your application is enterprise application. Okay, right? For example, I created one software for DMart or Walmart. Able to follow me? These are all what? Enterprise applications. Okay, right? Able to follow me? Suppose if I created job portal like Naukri, Monster, Indeed, like that. Suppose I also developed one job portal application. Then my job portal application is a web application. It is what kind of application then? Web application. Okay. So, for example, take Naukri. Okay. For example, like Gmail. What are all these? Gmail, Naukri. Okay. These are all
web
web applications. Okay, right. ATM application. Okay. Or if I'm developing application for like IRCTC, Indian Railway, if I'm developing such applications, Indian Railways is a very big organization. They are called enterprise applications. If I'm developing for banks, it's an enterprise application. You are you getting my point? Folks, everybody is getting my point, right? Web applications are limited scope. But enterprise application means it's involved in very big business. That's called what kind of applications? Enterprise applications. So a Java developer who is working for developing web applications or enterprise applications, okay, will not use bitwise operators. Okay. Tell me tomorrow, after once you completed this course in full stack development and you are ready for the market, when you're searching for a job, your job opportunity will be on developing either web application or enterprise application. You join in a TCS or Infi or Cognizant or Wipro somewhere, for example, Capgemini, somewhere else. Folks, tell me now, if that is the case, what kind of applications they develop for their clients? Web applications or enterprise applications, which means what? You are not going to involve anymore in bitwise operators. That's what I would like to say. But still, it is better to know what are the operators and how they work. Am I clear so far? So far, right? Very good. Very good. So, folks, let's see who are the operators. Let's see the symbol. Let's see the meaning. Okay. Single ampersand. Single only, one time only. This is called bitwise AND. A single pipe. This is called bitwise OR. And there is a cap symbol on the keyboard on the digit 6 on top of 6. Cap symbol, which is called bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR. Better to know at least the names of the operators. 2 times less than, which is called left shift. And the last one I want to say, there are some other operators are there, but we don't require all of them. If you know them, that is better. Right shift. If you know these at least, it would be good. Okay. Are you getting my point, folks? Okay. Right. So any of these notes will be shared with you. You just try to understand me. Okay, folks. Am I clear? Online people, so far whatever I've explained, did you get this point? Folks, did you get this point? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now you are getting some kind of home automations devices, right? Security cams, electronic switches. You are getting, right? Home automation kind of things. You are also getting some TV ad on Atomberg fan. Okay, with remote you can able to control your fan, right? You can switch on the fan, you can switch off the fan through remote or with your finger gestures also. Just with your finger also, you can switch on or you can switch off. If you say switch on, it will start running. If you switch off, it will automatically goes off. You are getting my point? These are all home automation. These are all called home automation. Even locks also. You can sit somewhere in US, but you can unlock your home or you can lock your home through your mobile. Able to get my point? Right. Security systems. These are all called home automation. So these home automation devices, okay, while developing the software for such kind of home automation devices, which operators are used? Bitwise operators are used. But for developing a banking website or a telecom website or some kind of restaurant website or some kind of a recruitment website, then tell me, Bitwise operators are used or not used? They are not used. Folks, am I clear, online people? Folks, online folks, am I clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah. So now, uh, let's at least have a discussion and understanding today about these operators, okay? Really, we don't use them, but just we will discuss about how they work. Just to get an idea, but we have nothing to do with these operators at any time. We never use these operators in the real time. Okay, right? So far, I worked on many projects. Okay, right? But I never seen or never used also these bitwise operators anytime. I didn't get a requirement or a chance to work with the bitwise operators so far in my experience. So obviously, what I'm trying to tell you also is that even though whatever explanation I'm giving you, this is only just if somebody may ask a question in interview saying that, hey, do you know this operator? Or can you tell me what is the output of this? If we may ask about a bitwise operator, then you should be ready to tell the answer. Only for that reason, I'm explaining this concept. Generally, in interviews also, nobody will ask about bitwise operator. But by chance, if anybody asks, right, then you have to tell answer for that. At least you should open your mouth. And for that reason, I'm talking about these operators. Am I clear, folks? Let's continue. Yes, let's continue, folks. Listen to me. First of all, let's talk about bitwise and what's the symbol here? Single ampersand. What about double ampersand? There are two ends, na? Yesterday we discussed about one end operator, A and D. That is called logical
And
end operator. Logical end means two ampersands. This is single ampersand. A single ampersand represents bitwise end. Double ampersand represents logical end. Single pipe symbol represents what? Bitwise OR. But a double pipe symbol represents what? You can see here. This is called what? Logical OR. Logical OR means two pipes. Logical end means two ampersands. But what about the bitwise end? Single ampersand. Folks, this is single ampersand. This is called what? Bitwise AND. Single pipe, this is called what? Bitwise OR. Am I clear? Okay. You know, bitwise operators will work with bits. That's what meaning of bitwise. They are going to work on bits. Now we have to convert our number into bits now. Bits means binary. A bit could be either 0 or 1. Okay. Suppose if I'm writing 10, example. Okay. 10 is a decimal number system. Base 10. Any number you write, whatever the numbers that we are using, these are all decimal number systems. What is that? Decimal number system. But bitwise operators doesn't work on decimal system. They work on binary system. We have to convert this into binary. Let me tell you how to convert into binary. So folks, try to understand what is the point I'm saying now. Suppose you have a number 10. Just have a look on this, folks. Okay. Suppose, folks, you have a number 10. Okay. For example, you have a number 10. Then how to convert this 10 into, how do we convert this value 10 into binary system? You are getting my point? How to convert this into, this is decimal system now? How to convert this 10 into binary system? Look at this. This is 10. This is a way to convert into what? Binary system. Take 2 here. Binary means 2, na? Binary system base is 2. Decimal system base is 10. Okay, am I right or not? Octal system base is 8. Hexadecimal base is 16. These are number systems. Binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Okay? Right. Binary means 2, base 2. Tell me, folks, 2 5s are 10. What is remainder? What is remainder? 0. Remaining value 0, right? Remainder is 0. Again, divide with 2. Okay, 2 2 ja 4. Sorry. This I am writing with mouse. 2 2 ja 4. What's the remainder?
Remainder 1.
1. Now you have 2 again. 2 1 ja 2. What's the remainder, folks?
0.
0. Am I clear? Again divide with 2. Okay? We can't divide it. We can't divide 1 with 2. Don't say 0.5. Because in integer system, numerical system, integer by integer result will be integer only. So tell me what now? Divide 2 with 0. 2 0 0. What's the remainder? 1 again. Able to follow me? So till you get 0, you divide with 2. Now you got 0 here. After getting 0, get the numbers in the reverse order. Folks, this is a reverse order. Then tell me what are the reverse order digits? 1 0 1 0. Folks, 10 is binary. Now tell me in decimal number system 10 is equal to how much? 1 0 1 0. Am I clear? Everyone, online people? Online people, am I clear?
Yes.
10 is a decimal system. What is the binary system? 1 0 1 0. 10 is written as 1 0 1 0. Am I clear, folks? Online people, please tell me, are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Yes? Look at this, folks. Please understand me. Can you tell me, if I have a number 15, please try to convert and tell me what is 15. You people also, offline people. 15. Take 15 and try to find out.
ఇందులో రాయొచ్చు కదా చేత్తో
Go ahead. Please try to write. Please try to calculate. 15 equal to how much? What is the equivalent bits for 15? 15 is a decimal number. Convert it into binary number. Tell me what is 15 equal to. Yeah. So try to write on a paper.
4 ones.
15, please try to convert. Suja, okay, good. Rajalakshmi is good. Okay. Yeah, please write your response in chat. After converting 15 into binary system, please let me know. Or you can write in the chat box, everybody. Very good. Very good. Correct. What's the output, folks? 4 ones. How it is 4 ones? I will write here. First, I'll take the number 15. Hey, I have a number called 15, folks. Divide with 2. Tell me now. 2 7 ja?
14.
14. How much is remainder?
1.
1. Tell me, folks, again with 2.
2 3s are 6.
2 3s are 6. How much is remainder?
1.
1. Again, tell me 2.
2
Divide with
1s
2.
are 2.
2 1 ja 2. Remainder is 1. Again, we divide with 2. 2 zeros 0.
Remainder 1.
Remainder is 1. You got the 0 here at the left side. Stop here. Stop here. Then take the digits from bottom to top. What are the digits from bottom to top? 1 1 1 1. Folks, 15 is how much now? 1 1 1 1. Am I clear now? Now if I write 10 and 15 equal to how much? So let me explain you, folks. Just give me a second. Yeah, folks, 10 and 15. Okay, this is called a bitwise AND operator. Yeah. First of all, tell me, folks, tell me what is the binary equivalent of 10? What's the binary equivalent of 10, folks? Please tell me. 1 0 1 0. What's the binary equivalent of 15? 1 1 1 1. Yeah, please listen. Able to follow me, folks? Online people? Okay. Now here, this is bitwise AND, na? If the corresponding bits are 1, then the result will be 1. Otherwise, result will be 0. Tell me now, what are the corresponding bits here? 0 and 1.
0.
Both are not 1, right? The corresponding bits are 1, the result will be 1. Otherwise, 0. Then tell me what is the number here? 0. Folks, everybody, are you getting my point? Online people? Online folks, are you getting this point? Tell me now. I can come from either left side or right side, nothing to worry. Tell me folks now. 1, 1. What is the result here? 1.
0.
0, 1 corresponding bits are different. 0. Corresponding bits are 1. Result is 1. Corresponding bits are different. 0. Now convert this 1010 into decimal system. This is in which system now? Binary system. But we want result in what? Decimal system. Then tell me convert into decimal system. How do you convert into decimal system? I will tell you. See. What is the number here? 1010. These are decimal system. Folks, to convert into decimal system, you have to multiply with the 2 power. What is the place of the 0? It is 2 power 0. Please understand me, folks. This is 2 power 0. Because if you know this, next you can try. This is 2 power 1. Please understand me. First, let me complete. This is 2 power 1.
Power 2.
Yeah. Please, just I want to write properly. Folks, please understand. This is 2 power 1. This is 2 power 0. Okay, I'm not getting exactly, but I can write. This is 2 power 2. And this is 2 power 3. This is 2 power 3. At least I can move it like this. No, okay, leave it. So folks, observe here. This is 2 power 0. This is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Am I right? Now folks, you have tried like this now. You have tried like this. 2 power 3 into 1. Please understand me. You should write like this now. Better I'll write like this. Folks, 2 power 3 into 1 plus 2 power 2 into 0. Folks, am I right? Plus. Next, tell me.
2 power
2
1.
power 1 into
1.
1 is there, na?
Yes.
Into 1 plus. Tell me.
2 power 0. Into
2 power 0. 2 power 0 into 0.
Final answer is 10.
Am I folks clear? Tell me 2 power 3 into 1. What is 2 power 3? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 1, 8. Plus 2 power 2 means what? 4. 4 into 0, 0. Plus 2 power 1, 2 into 1, 2. Hey, Folks, am I clear? Plus 2 power 0, 1. 1 into 0. Because you know anything power 0 is 1 in mathematics. Anything power 0 is 1. So 2 power 0 means 1. 1 into 0, 0. Hey, online people, did you get my point? Now tell me, it's equivalent to how much? 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 is how much? 10. Folks, tell me, what is the result of 10 and 15? 10. Am I clear? So this is called which operator? This is called which operator? Bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND operator. Very good. Bitwise AND operator. Am I clear? So far, am I clear? Everyone, have you got this answer, folks? Tell me. Discussion, folks. First, tell me. I'll include this into our document. Okay. But first, tell me what's the point to write here? What's the point I want on bitwise AND? What's the point I want right now? Okay. The bitwise AND operator results a bit 1 if the corresponding bits are what? The corresponding bits are 1. Otherwise, the result will be 0. You got the definition? Tell me the bitwise AND operator results a bit 1. The corresponding bits are 1. Otherwise, the result will be 0. That's what we got so far. Very good. What I will do is, whatever I have written here, this entire diagram, I will export this image into our doc. Hey, is everyone, you are getting the point, right? So first I would like to insert this picture into this document so that you people can able to understand it. Folks, whatever I've explained there, all these also I kept into our document. I said what? This document will contain everything, examples, class notes, explanations, whatever I'm giving, everything will come into one document only. Okay. Now, guys, everybody in online and offline, folks, question for you is, what is the result of 10 single ampersand 18? Please try to find out. Folks, try to find out the answer for this 10 and 18. Online people. What is the result of 10 and 18? Please try to find an answer for this, please. So please try to find an answer for this. Again 10. What is the result of 10 and 18? Yes. Okay, Lakshmi is saying 10. Bhagyesh is saying 2. Rajalakshmi is saying 2. Okay. What's the result? Okay. Is 18? 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, we'll check. Yeah. I'll tell you. I will also write. Okay. Folks, any other guess online people? Is 10? Okay. Okay. First of all, tell me. Folks, tell me, you know, yeah, decimal is 2. Okay. Let's see. Folks, tell me, first of all, 18 we have to convert now because 10 we know. 10 we know, just 18 we have to convert into binary system. 2. Tell me 2 nines are 18. I'll write 9s in small way. Folks, am I clear? 2 nines are 18. What's the remainder? 0. Very good. Folks, tell me. Again 2. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 na 1 na?
1.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. 1. Thank you. Folks, tell me next. 2. 2 2 ja 4.
2.
Remainder
0.
0. Folks, 2. 2 1s are 2.
1.
Remainder is 0. Again 2. 2 zeros 0. But you got the remainder is how much?
1.
Am I clear? Tell me now you have to move from where to where? Take the digits from bottom to top. Tell me, folks. 18 equal to in binary 1 double 0 1 0. What about 10? But it has how many? 5 digits. 18. But 10 has only add
1
0 at left side. Add 0 at left side. Left side. Tell me, folks. Tell me, folks. 10 equal to. Tell me how much?
1 0 1 0.
0
0 1 0.
1 0 1 0. I can add left side 0. Add the digit 0 at left side. Okay. Next 18. Please tell me. 1 double 0 1 0. Folks, am I clear? Online people, have you got this? How I written? Yes. Tell me, folks, now. If corresponding bits are 1, result will be 1. Bitwise end na. Otherwise, 0. Tell me, folks. Tell me, folks, what's the result here?
1.
Here, 0,
0.
0,
0.
0.
0,
1.
1,
0.
0. Am I clear? Yes. Folks, tell me. This is a 2 power 0.
Yes.
This is 2 power 0. Left side
Yes.
0. Next, this is 2 power 1. Remaining all zeros, na?
Yes.
Of course, it may be 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. But 2 power 4 into 0, 0. 2 power 3 into 0, 0. 2 power 2 into 0, 0. Am I right or not? Then tell me 2 power 1. 2
2.
into 1.
2.
2. 2 power 0, 1 into 0, 0. What's the final answer? 2.
2.
Folks, everybody is getting this answer? Online folks, have you confused? Am I confused in any way?
No.
Is it clear to all of you?
Yeah,
Yes.
clear.
Very good. Very good. Folks, the answer for this question is 2. Am I clear? Very good. Tell me, folks, so far we discussed about which one? Bitwise AND operator. What the next one? Bitwise OR, which is represented with a pipe symbol. See here, folks, I'm writing the point here. The bitwise OR operator results 0 if corresponding bits are 0. Otherwise, the result is 1. Folks, are you getting the answer? Tell me what bitwise operator will do. It will result 0 if corresponding bits are 0. Otherwise, 1. My question to all of you folks, can you tell me now? What is the result of 10 or 15? Sorry. Online people. What is the result of 10 or 15?
15, sir.
Yes. What is the result of 10 or 15? You know what is a binary digits of 10? Okay, what is the binary equivalent of 10? 1010. What is the binary equivalent of 15? 1111. So we know this. See, folks, 10 is 1010. 15 is 1111. Folks, am I clear? Online people, am I clear now? Yes? Let's go ahead. Please understand me. Everyone in online people, am I clear? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Tell me
sir.
now. When it will return 0? If a corresponding bits are 0, result will be 0. Otherwise,
Yes.
1.
1.
Tell
The
me here,
result is
this is 1, 1,
1.
for the result.
1,
1.
1, 1.
0, 1. 1,
1.
1, 1.
Again,
1,
Again 1.
0, 1.
1.
1.
1.
Why I am not getting 0 in this?
there is no 0.
We don't have
Correspond-
corresponding bits 0.
Yes.
We don't have corresponding bits 0. Am I right or not? Okay.
Yes.
Because we don't have any corresponding bits as 0, so we are getting all the answer is 1. Tell me what is 1111 equivalent, you know already? Who is 1111?
15.
15. So tell me what's the output of 10 or 15?
15.
15.
10 bitwise or 15 is equal to result is 15, na?
Yes.
Am I clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear so far? Please tell me similarly 10 or 18, or okay, say 10 or 20 equal to how much? Please calculate. Please calculate for 10 or 20. Online people, please calculate 10 or 20. Yes, folks. 10 or 20 equal to how much? Online people, can you tell me the result here for 10 or 20? Sorry. First of all, we need to convert the 20 now. 10 we know. First, I'll tell you how to convert the 20 into binary system. Okay, folks, tell me. 2. 2 10 ja 20. Hey, folks, am I right? 2 10 ja 20. What's the remainder? 0.
2 5s 10.
Next one.
2
Next
5s.
one, folks. 2 5s are 10.
0.
2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. Tell me next.
2 2s are
2 2s are 4.
1 remainder.
Sorry. 2 2s are 4. What's the remainder?
1.
1.
2 1s are 2.
2 1s are 2.
0 remainder.
Remainder 0. Tell me then.
2 zeros are 0.
2
remainder-
zeros are 0.
Remainder 1.
Remainder is 1. Now go from bottom to top.
1 0 1 0.
1 0.
1
1 double 0. Am I clear? Am I clear so far? Okay. Tell me, guys, what is a 10 equivalent?
1 0 1 0.
We'll have left side 0. 1 0 1 0. Am I right? What is 20 equivalent?
1 0 1 double 0.
1 0 1 double 0. Tell me the result here.
1 1 1 1 0.
Please tell me.
1 1 1 1 1
This
0.
is 1. This is 1 1 1
1 0.
0.
Zero.
Because corresponding bits are 0, na? Calculate the value of this.
30.
Calculate the value of this. How much?
30.
30. 30. 3 0. This is 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. But into digit 0. Anything into 0 is 0, na? This is what? 2 power 1 means 2. This is 2 power 2. 4. This is 2 power 3. 8. This is 2 power 4. 16. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. 30. Tell me, folks, what's the result here? What's the result here? 30.
30.
30. So, 10 or 20. 10 or 20. Result is 30. Hey, folks, am I clear to all of you? Folks, am I clear to all of you?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Right. I'll copy this. I'll export this image into our document. Later you can see. Okay. Everything that I'm pasting in our document so that our document will help you a lot. This document is important for you. I think, okay, you got so far how many bitwise operators? 2. What are they? Bitwise and bitwise OR. What's the next one? Bitwise XOR. bitwise XOR. See guys, what's the symbol? Cap. Now, if I write the point here, see, if or I'll write like this, bitwise XOR results 1 if corresponding bits are different. Otherwise, the result is 0. Folks, am I clear? Bitwise XOR results 1 if a corresponding bits are different. Otherwise, the result is 0. Folks, am I clear? Online people? Okay. If the corresponding bits are different, then the result will be 1. If the corresponding bits are same, result will be 0. So calculate what is 10 or 15. What is the result of 10 XOR 15? XOR means cap. 15 equal to how much? Ten XOR 15 equal to how much? Online people. Okay. Everyone. What is the result of 10 or 15? Yeah, Suja is saying 5, Ravali is saying 30, Harika is saying 5. Yeah. What is the result of 10 or 15? XOR 15. 10 XOR 15 is equal to how much? 10 XOR 15 is equal to how much?
5.
5. Okay, let's see. First of all, tell me, folks. We know already 10 is represented as what? 1010. 15 represent in binary system as 1111. Folks, am I clear? Tell me now. If corresponding bits are same, result will be
1.
What is XOR? The corresponding bits are same, result will be 0. The corresponding bits are different, result will be 1. That's what XOR. Tell me here, corresponding bits are same or different? 1.
Same.
Corresponding bits are same, result will be
0.
Corresponding bits are different, result will be 1.
1.
Corresponding bits are same, 0.
0.
Corresponding bits are different,
1.
result is what? 1. Folks, am I clear? Online people, am I clear? Now convert this into decimal system again. How do you convert a decimal system? 2 power 0 into 1 plus this is 2 power 1 into 0. 0. 2 power 2 into 1. 2 power 2 means what? 4. 4 into 1. 4. 4 plus 1. First digit is 1 na. 2 power 0 means what? 1. 1 into 1. 1. This is 1 plus this is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Result is 5. Folks, am I clear to all of you so far? Online folks, am I clear for you so far? 10 or 15 is equal to how much? 5. Am I clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next one is left shift. We'll complete them, okay? Left shift means 2 less than symbols. I'll tell you what does it mean. Folks, I'm talking about which one? Left shift. Left shift. I'll tell you. Left shift means shift the digits to the left for the given times. Shift the digits to the left for the given times. For the given times. For example, if I'm writing 10 left shift to 2 means what? What do you mean by 10 left shift to 2? Means shift the digits 2 times to the left. If 2 times you shift the digits to the left, you will get empty space at the right. Fill those empty spaces with zeros. Okay, I will tell you, folks, online people. So try to, don't confuse now, I will tell you very clearly. See, folks, you have to calculate. For example, if I'm writing 10 left shift to 2, for example. Folks, for example, I'm writing 10 left shift to 2 is equal to how much is a calculation that we want? 10 left shift to 2. First tell me 10. 1010 now. Okay. Let us take the digits in this format. Please understand me. I'm keeping all the digits like this to understand. Now left shift these digits by how many times? 2 times. Take a bigger array. Take a bigger array. Add 2 spaces to the left. Add 2 spaces to the left. And then folks observe it. Folks, I'm talking about which shift? Left shift now. Okay, folks, listen to me. How many times? By 2 times. Means what? Shift these digits to the left 2 times. Which means what? This 1 will come here. Folks, please understand me. Better you understand me like this. Tell me, folks, this 1 will come to this place. Next. This 0 will come to this place. This 1 will come to this place. This 0 will come to this place. Shifting now. Tell me what are the numbers so far we got here? 1, 0, 1, 0. Am I clear? Tell me there are 2 empty spaces at the right side now. Filled these empty spaces with what? 0, 0. Are you going to work all these things in the real time anywhere? No, just for knowledge. If anybody asks in interview, at least to tell an answer. But we never work with this in the real time. Okay, right, folks. These are required for other people, embedded system people. Folks, can you tell me now? What is the result of 1 0 1 0 1 00? Please calculate the result of this. Yes. Tell me, folks, first of all, this is called 2 power 0. This is called 2 power 0. Hey, everyone, people are getting my point? Online folks are getting my point? This is 2 power 0. Folks, this is 2 power 1, na? 2 power 1. Folks, tell me. This is what? This is called 2 power 2. 2 power 2. Tell me this is 2 power 3. Folks, tell me this is 2 power 4. And finally, tell me, folks, this is going to be what? 2 power 5. Am I clear? Everybody is getting this point, folks. Are you clear with this? Folks, are you clear with this? Everyone in online?
Yes.
Yes. This is 2 power 0. This is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5 into 1. 2 power 5 means how much? 32. 32 into 1. 32 plus 2 power 4 means 16. 16 into 0. 0. No need to worry about that. 0. Plus. Tell me next. 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 8. 8 into 1, 8. Plus 2 power 2, 4. 4 into 0, 0. 2 power 1, 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 power 0, 1. 1 into 0, 0. Tell me finally output is how much, folks? 40. Tell me, folks, what is 10 left shift to 40? Is it clear to all of you now? What do you mean by left shift? Shift the digits or the bits of a number by given times. How many times? 2 times. If you shift these bits 2 times to the left, then tell me right side spaces are filled with what? Zeros. What is right shift? Shift the digits to right side for the given times. That's called what shift? Right shift. This is currently left shift. Yeah, folks. Online people, have you understood today bitwise operators? How they work? Let me write the point here. Yeah. What it will do? It will shift the bits of a number to the left by the given times. By the given times. The empty spaces created at right side are filled with 0. Am I clear or not? Everybody online people, are you getting how the left shift works? Okay, I will copy this diagram. Let me copy this diagram. Folks, I am just going to copy the diagram and I will put the diagram into the document. First, insert the diagram here. Now, can you understand by yourself about right shift now? So please try to learn right shift by yourself. Tell me, folks, I have explained about what? Left shift. Similar to this, you learn about what? Right shift. Tell me, today we completed which operators? Bitwise operators. What are the bitwise operators we discussed? Bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, left shift and right shift. Is it clear so far? Online people, am I clear for you?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Folks, this is all what we discussed today. I'm now just going to share the doc. I'm uploading into our Ashok IT portal from where you people can download. Is 9th. See, actually yesterday I have not uploaded. Of course, for every 1 day or 2 days once I'll upload, okay? I'm uploading it now. Do you guys got the access to this portal? Ashok IT portal, you got the credentials? Okay, once you are registered with our course, then what you will get? You will get the credentials to access this portal. You will get a username and a password, right? With that, you can upload your notes. You can access the notes, videos and all. Okay, folks. Now the notes is uploaded. Please go through it. Add what also, learn what also along with left shift, right shift
Right
also.
shift.
Now with this, which operators are completed? Bitwise. Totally binary operators are completed. What are binary operators we have completed, you know? What are the binary operators we have completed now? Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators. Today, bitwise operators. All the 5
Bitwise
types are done. There is one more, which is called
Yes,
a
sir.
ternary operator. We'll discuss about that tomorrow.
Yes.
Ternary operator. Then you need to know about a concept called as operator precedence. Folks, you have to know about a concept
Okay.
called as what? Operator precedence. This is what operator precedence. I'll give you this table tomorrow for you. Okay, right? Parenthesis has high priority, postfix, prefix, multiplicative, additive, shifting, relational, equality. All these is called what precedence? Operator precedence.
President.
After getting the meaning of operator precedence, we will calculate some expressions. How the result is calculated for this, how the result is calculated for this. I'll try to give some expressions and results of them. Then we'll completely gone out of operators. Once operators are completed, we'll discuss one example. We'll write a Java program with some of the operators and we will finally close the concept of operators. Then we'll enter into important concept. That is where you have to learn programming. That is called control statements. What statements? Control statements. And we are going to start with the first control statement, that is called if statement. What the first control statement we are going to learn? If statement.
Yes.
And there are different types of if statements. Then we'll enter into switch statement. Then we'll enter into loops like for loop, while loop, do while loop, jumping statements. Control statements are very, very important. Business logic is totally control statements only. If you write any application, definitely what we use? Control statement. Able to follow me, folks, online people? Yes. For example, you are going to log into Facebook account. What Facebook server will check? Whether your username and password is correct or not.
Correct.
Means what? If your username is correct and if password is correct. If is which statement? Control statement.
Yes.
Means business logic is totally control statements only. Control statements are very, very important. The entire business logic, entire applications will depend on these control statements only. So you have to learn the control statement very perfectly. We'll discuss different examples to know much on the control statements. But before we enter into control statements, first what you should know? Operator precedence. You should know which operator will first calculated, which operator will be next executed. That precedence you have to know. Once it is done, we'll enter into control statements. Am I clear so far? Folks, I'm going to stop the session for today here and we'll continue the session tomorrow. Online people, have you understood the session for today?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir.
Yeah, you can leave. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sir, this is Nitish, sir. So, could you let me know